So, how to fix Instagram not working after updating in less than 1 minute? First thing, open the settings, guys. Open the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and then click on it. When you click on it, now you have to go into this force stop option. Click on it and then go to the notifications. Disable the notifications like this, and then go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and click on delete, and then click on clear cache. Now what you want to do next is go back to the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 10 seconds and disable it again. Now the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you may have to remove Instagram from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.